Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see the unboxing of this Redcop MicroSD memory card, which is 128 GB with the full size adapter also. Means you'll get this memory card. I'll just scroll down. See this micro slot memory card and this adapter also, size adapter, means to fit into different devices. See here, say for example, does my laptop have this here for this port? If I want to keep this micro SD, I need to have that adapter also. So first I need to insert into this adapter, then I can insert over this port here available. And this is I got for 128 GB the memory. And the speed is important. Say for example, if you purchase this memory card for a digital camera, so at that point of time, if the camera capability is like 4K recording camera, then you need to focus on the speeds 150 MB per second. So don't choose something below 130 Mbps per second. Okay, see here, the price on the Flipkart is also exactly the same, both on Amazon. See here, on the Amazon it is 1275 rupees and on the Flipkart it is 1200. And the main reason I purchased is this got 4.3 rating, which is a very good rating. Let us just open this package and see how it looks, and at the end of the video I'll tell you why did I purchase this, okay, for which device actually I purchased this memory card. I'll tell you. See here, just as I open this package, this is the memory card, which is of 128 GB, and this is the bill. I'll just keep this bill aside for a moment and let us just see what is there on this. It is stating like MicroSDXC UHS 1 card for better photos and full HD video, and this I purchased for a 4K recording camera and I need to test it. And that camera is nothing but this Osmo Pocket 3, DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So last week I just unboxed this DJI camera. This is the DJI camera, and this doesn't have this memory card in the package, in the box. This is for, I bought this for around 69,000, but on Amazon now within a week it has got almost reduced to 9,000 rupees, which is very good deal. If you want the unboxing of this DJI Osmo Pocket 3, you can just find it in the description for the full unboxing video, and I'll also drop this Amazon link if you want to check for the more details. And within just a week this got 9,000 deduction, and remember these prices will vary from time to time. And I purchased this memory card for this purpose only, because to record or to take photos on this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 I need this memory card. So just let us open this one and see, is there anything else at the back side. Redcop, the branding, secure digital capacity, suitable for HD video and 4K recording. So they are mentioning like it is suitable for 4K recording. I'm very much happy about this, and to my surprise all the prices of these SD cards are suddenly got a huge hike here. See here, previously I checked like it would be somewhere like below 1,000 rupees. Now all of a sudden, even in the Flipkart and also on the Amazon, the prices got really hiked. So let us just open this. Okay, this is the actual memory card, and this is the adapter. Using the scissors I just cut it into half so that I'll get this main unit, which is the memory card, and this got some inner package, and this is the card. Okay, see here, this is the card size. Maybe what I'll do is before inserting into this, I can try it on the mobile and also both on the laptop, mobile device, and also this one. For now I'll be just trying with this camera, okay. If you want me to check with the mobile and the laptop, please do ask in the comments so that I can upload a separate video for that, because this video is getting longer. Yeah, see here, for the people who don't know, just you need to keep the memory card slot like this on the camera, DJI camera. Sorry if there is bad lighting here. I am just pressing it like this, and see here. Yeah, the lighting is not good. Maybe I can show it like this. Just gently press OK and make sure it properly goes inside totally. Yeah, now you can make sure that it has properly fitted into the camera, and just now you can turn it on. Okay, you can just, okay, let me just, what is this? Okay, it is asking me to choose between the English, right? English, and swipe it. Yeah, now the SD card, see here, SD, see SD, 6 hours 52 minutes for the video recording. So if I click on this capture here, it will change to camera mode, and now it is showing like 116 GB, means 128 GB actually. Maybe available space is 116 GB. So I'll be changing it to the video mode. So yeah, it is, maybe just I can click on the record. Now it's been recording actually. Recording, right? No, it's capturing. I need to shift between this video recording mode, and I'll be, see, now it's recording, right? So this SD card is working perfectly fine and suitable for this device. So I'll be doing a separate video on this, like how good is for the 4K recording and how good is this for this DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.